Hello guys, welcome back to TechCruise. Today we'll be unboxing the all new Mukuta 8 Plus. I cannot wait to see how this thing looks like. Wow. So first of all, you get a package with tools. You've got tighteners with the Mukuta logo on it, which is pretty nifty. We've got the charger cable. We've got plastic caps for the wheel axles. Now we've got the charger for the scooter. Now we'll go to the left side. What have we got here? Oh, we've got the power brick for the power bank that's with the scooter. So you've got two USB-A and you've got a USB-C, which is quite nice. Alright, let's talk about a couple of things I've noticed about the Mukuta 8 Plus. First of all, it's got a twist throttle. A very interesting design. I've never seen it on a different scooter before, as I'm used to trigger throttle or thumb throttle. We've got great indicators on the left side. There is a horn button, which is quite loud but not as good as the Mukuta 10 Plus. We've got the dual motor button to activate dual motors. We've got an amazing display straight from the Mukuta 10 Plus. We've got folding handlebars, which are very convenient when putting it into a car. On the right side, we've got the power on button. We've got the mode button to select your P settings when you hold it. Something completely new about this scooter is the adjustable suspension. You can compress and decompress the suspension to change the travel on your scooter when going onto different terrains like gravel or roads. Something also I'd like to mention that is something completely new on a scooter is a removable battery. This is such a cool feature, as if your phone dies or you need to charge up some device, you can take out the battery just like so, by holding the mode button to enter your P settings. Select number 1, hold the mode button again, turn off the scooter. It'll create a whining sound. You grab the handle and pull it out. And now you've got a battery that you can take anywhere, especially if you're someone who lives that has stairs in their house and doesn't want to bring their scooter all the way up the stairs. You can just take the battery. With this scooter, you have an NFC card. So once you turn on the scooter, it asks you for the card. You grab your NFC card and hold it above the screen and it turns on the scooter. When I get rid of the lock, I put the scooter down and I put that clamp in. I realized that when you let it go, it swings off into the unknown. I have realized also is that once you do fold the handlebars, and the handlebars fold backwards. And once you put the scooter down, it is harder to clamp it, and now it doesn't move around, which is a lot better as it doesn't move around in transport. With this display screen, I've also realized that it's the exact same display as the Mukuta 10 Plus. The problem with the Mukuta 10 Plus display was that it washed out in sunlight, and I'm honestly wondering if this screen is brighter or is it the same as the Mukuta 10 Plus. This scooter is very visible during the night, as on the sides we've got the white LED light and 2 red lights on the ends of the white strip. You've got a white LED strip on your stem and a light at the front. And you've got these 2 red lights that get brighter once you activate the brakes. They don't blink like other scooters, they just stay static. I'd like to say a special thanks to Mukuta for giving me this scooter for reviewing, as I'm one of the first channels to review this scooter in Australia that even has my logo engraved on it. I would really like to ask you guys to like and subscribe to my channel, as it could help me improve my channel and for you guys to enjoy more great content about e-scooters. As always, ride safe and keep exploring.